Good morning, Jamaican shore fishing here, guys. Look at this. Taking a look at the water down here, guys. See how that water looks good? Water looks pretty clear, guys. Welcome back to the channel. Jamaican shore fishing out here, guys. We're going to pepper this spot down here today on the bar mount today, guys, and see what we can pick up along this whole entire section right in here. I look like I spot a fish down there by structure, guys. We always in these shallows, barras and big jacks and stuff run into here. So I see a guy down there pulling a net, which is not good for me. Let's walk down to the river and see what we can pick up this morning, guys. Jamaican shore fishing. We are out here. Come on. We're on the border of St. James and Hanover, peoples. So going down to one of my favorite fishing spots. One of the spots that I'm going to stop at this morning, guys. Didn't really walk with a whole bunch of stuff this morning, but my fishing rod and my tackle bag. All the other stuff I've left in the car, guys. This is a little sticky way to get down, especially when it rains. Holy smokes, guys, I tell you about this. You gotta be extremely careful because there's some steel spikes down at the bottom of here. So, yeah, guys. So this is one of my pig smell. Holy smoke. That's that swamp gas. Ah! You got the goat saying hey. I'm on Jamaican shore fishing, guys. I should start peppering from right here. That's what I'm gonna do. That water's not coming in so hard. You start off with my spoon lure from here, guys, and work that spoon lure going straight out this morning. Let's get my coffee cup down here, guys, and get this spoon lure in this water. Jamaican shore fishing, first cast. Pick up yourselves, guys. Let's get that lure out there, guys. Up and get it back in here quick. See what we can pick up this morning. Water's awfully shallow this morning, guys. Low tide, really low tide, guys. Sun's not up this side yet, so I won't get the effect on this lure like I would normally do. Somebody's life jacket washed up. There, guys. We'll walk down to this bar mount and see what we can pick up this morning. Give it another shot right here again, guys. One more shot right here. The sun hasn't peeked over the hill yet for me to use this lure yet, guys. Yeah, I might get the effect right there. The sun is touching that side. Just got to keep the rod tip low for the lure to swim the way I want it to. Try to get it one more. Get it out there. Yeah, that one's coming in pretty hard. Let's get further down, guys. Jamaican shore fishing. Good morning. Yeah, guys, we're on the hunt this morning. We're definitely on the hunt this morning, searching today, guys. Water looks good this morning. Trying to see what we can pick up this morning. Get on a little bit of solid ground over here, guys. Got my homie that's down here pulling his net. See what's going on. Big boss. What's good? Those things. You got anything? What you get? Judge, God. Yeah. Okay. I'll try my luck with my lure over here, so. So I can pick up this morning. I'm gonna see David them come down here this morning. Yeah. Well, my day still, boss. Bar mouth close up, guys. So there's a lot of snooks and stuff that's probably trapped in here, guys. So I always catch snooks in here when it closes like this. And this is crazy because you can actually walk straight across to the other side of the river right now. I haven't done this in a while. And yeah, this is where the snooks hang out at. I'm gonna switch up my lure to a high vis lure. Look at all the long jaw, guys. I wonder if I could use one of these Anarchy spoon lure, guys, the high vis Anarchy, and possibly pick up a snook in here. I wonder if this would work. The wind is in my face a bit, but it's a possibility I might get a result. Get this Anarchy lure on here, guys. I should be using the monofilament leader instead of this right here because there's no barrier in here. You really don't have to really worry about being cut off too much, guys. Get a low cast so the breeze don't affect you that much. And see what's up along the tree lines there. You might get a hit. Let it sink a little bit. Ooh, it's getting chased. That's good. It's good, guys. Very good. Jackfish are hitting after it, guys. Little small jackfish though. Nothing big. Yeah, guys. I wonder if I go on further. Go on the line, look a bit. Go on the line. Try it on the line. Jamaican shore fishing here, guys. Big up yourselves. Welcome back to the channel again, guys. This morning we're out doing some lure fishing. We're on a hunt this morning, guys. That's what's up. Getting down to one of my favorite spots, guys. See what we can pick up this morning. Lure fishing today, guys. That's what's up. Heading down to our site. Yeah, guys, so out lure fishing this morning. My rod and my tackle bag, and that's it. I have my little lip grip tool with me, so I didn't really bring my gaff with me this morning. If I do hook something, I'm gonna have to probably land it on land and not on these piers that I'm gonna throw a line on now. So the sun is just peeking up now, guys. I was at the river before. It was kind of cold, and I was like, you know what, let me go a little bit further down on the piers where the water is a little bit deeper and I can get a little bit more cast out. I don't see anybody parked up back here, so that means there's nobody fishing down here this morning yet. So let's get this lure in the water, guys, and see what we can pick up this morning. Yeah, guys, Jamaican shore fishing. So what I'm probably gonna do is walk a little bit further down and work my way from that side, come back to the piers. It's low tide. I don't know what the setting is out here now. Matter of fact, let's hit this side first, guys. If we're not feeling anything down here, we'll go back to the reef on that side. So I'm always ready, wired up and everything, just in case. The water looks really good right here, guys, and clear. So let's drop in here real quick, guys, and see if we can pick something up. Who knows? That's really good to me. Water's clear, guys, so when the water is clear, you try to use a natural color and match the environment as best as you can, because you'll have a barra or something hanging out in here and you get a wicked hit. So work it back to shore. See how that lure swims, guys? The lure swims awesome. Alright, let's get further down and work it back in. See what else we can pick up, guys. Jamaican shore fishing, Jamaican lure fishing. That's what's up. We're on the hunt today, guys. This is not a game. Pretty much scanning this water, guys. Scanning this little cove right here. See what we can pick up. That's my third cast out already. There's no wind down here affecting me, guys, so I'm not getting that river breeze like I was getting before. Barra's chasing it, guys. Barra's chasing it, a little barra's chasing it. I just seen it. I could see, I had a little barra chase it a while ago, guys. He's here, I just seen him. He's right there, guys, and he's not making after it. I don't know why. Little small barra chased it a while ago, guys. He's right there. Right there. He's like a little small barra, guys. He's not that big. I made a pass at him twice and he hasn't hit it, so I guess he's full. Nope, not going for it, guys. So like I said, guys, let's give it a shot back here, see what we can pick up. Water looks really good down in here, guys. Not much of a disturbance. I'm not getting into any chases on this side, guys. Let's see if I can pick something up here in the shallows here. Nothing there yet. On my Twitch lures this morning, guys. No, nothing so far. Jamaican shore fishing. Jamaican lure fishing, guys. We are out here. Yeah, guys, so you have to put work in, guys. This is a lot of work. It is. It's a tedious process at times, guys, but guess what? At the end of the day, it pays off, right? Alright, being that we here on the pier, guys, the sun's kicking up, and I'm trying my smaller lures first to see if I can pick anything up off this pier here, guys. Possibly get a hit off this pier, so I'm basically peppering the pier side to side, and then what I'll do, I'll just walk the shores down wherever there's sunlight and work my more shinier lures. Alright, get on the front here real quick, give it a shot this way, guys, and see, get somebody's attention. Alright, I'm gonna switch up now, guys. Switch up to one of my Anarchy lures that has a little bit of shininess to it. Gives me that glitter so I can get that visual attention being that the sun is up. So let's switch up real quick and test these new lures out, guys. Anarchy spoon lures. These, give it a shot. See what I can pick up. I lost the white one and the small green one, guys, but these lures are awesome lures. They swim pretty good. Let me not lock this bag up yet. Just keep this lure box open right here for now and get out here in the sunlight, and I won't get that much far of a cast, guys, but the visual that I'll get on it is amazing. Anarchy lures, guys. This lure's swimming amazing. It's giving me a nice cast on the breeze in my back. This is a trolling spoon, guys. The way that silver's glittering in the sun, I should get barra attention like immediately. Somebody's gonna see this lure from afar. Yeah, guys, that's the thing with lure fishing. Gotta keep it moving. Can't stay in one place too long. So I want to take it up on the ridge up there, guys. I'll run closer to a reef and see what I can pick up. We're scanning, guys. Making sure fish it. Making lure fish it. Yeah, guys, I'm surprised. Like, this is like barra territory, and I'm just really surprised because no jack, no barra chasing, nothing. That's odd and weird. Let's give it a shot. Let's see what we can pick up. Try there in the shallows. Nothing, guys. That's weird as hell. We scanned the water over here, guys. So far, nothing out of the reef. See if we can get a few casts out right here. Holy smokes. I'm getting nothing right there. A little bit too high. Yeah, be careful, guys, when you go out fishing. This is serious game sometimes. You can find yourself seriously injured. Yeah, nothing there, guys. Barra hunting, guys. That's what it's all about. Nothing here, guys. I gotta go on the other side. But there's sunlight, guys. I need sunlight. I'm thirsty as hell. I got water with me though. We're on the hunt, guys. Jamaican shore fish it. Higher spirits. Can't stop a G. Can't stop a G. That's what's up. You can't stop a G. All right. Let's get out here on this side now, peoples. Sure, there's a barra around here hanging out someplace. My name on it. Go around where I got a little bit more sun, guys. Sun's being blocked on this side. Ooh, I see you. I see you. Big houndfish, guys. Look at that. He's chasing it. Ooh-wee. I got action, guys. Big houndfish. Look at the size of that houndfish, guys. Big houndfish action, guys. Look at him. They got hip to it. They got hip to it, guys. Yeah, houndfish got hip to it, guys. They didn't bother with it. Not getting much of a chase except for the houndfish. I was really hunting for a barracuda, guys. That's what I'm really hunting for. We'll go on the other side. Here, guys. Fishing ain't easy. This is not for the weak-hearted, guys. Your heart and mind and soul has to be set for this. If not, you won't be able to do this, guys. It's a lot of work involved in catching fish. And you think it's something easy based on how it looks. It's not, guys. I got divers about to jump in the water over there. You see? Now let's work this way, guys. Pick up out there. Low tide. I'm just that surprised that there's not more fish in this area than this, guys. Not getting the attention I want from these lures, guys. What the heck is going on today? Nothing on the lure this morning yet, guys. Hey guys, nothing so far, nil. How long, Jay? Cool, man. And what, nothing for morning? Oh, okay. Well, good luck. I'm barra hunting this morning. I hunt barra all the way from up, so come down to Blood Cleat. And one little one run down the line, and I don't see no big one yet. What going, Rasta? Jack and barra me I hunt for this morning, brother. Where you there, boy? Where you there, man? See it and just grab him. You see him since morning? Really, no? I want special lure. So new lure one company in Canada sent for me test. I hit me catch it 8 pound one the other day. Eh? I catch nothing for man. I mean I walk all the way from Movavi, come straight on here. Look here, you see the glitter when I put in the water with this? If this no get barra one of them attention same thing. Wrong. Look here. Watch the fish in the water here so now. Look here. You see it? As them see glitter so they are try. Look, you see it? Alright, there you go. So if a barra, if me have this in my water and you see say nothing now go after, it's sitting wrong as right now. Boy, I've been hunting this morning, I'm tired. I've been hunting all morning, guys. So slow tide now. I'm seeing if I can pick up a barra or something in these shallows in the grass someplace here, guys. Let's see what's up. Okay. Here, guys, still on the hunt, guys. That's what's up. Jamaican shore fishing, guys. We out here again. We stopped at another spot. Give it another shot, guys. See what we can pick up here, guys. At it again. I'm showing a wrong spot, man. Go out there, so. Here. Go off a rock stone this and show this, so. Morning. Yeah, Jamaican shore fishing here, guys. Well, didn't want to get wet today, but look like that's gonna happen today, guys. Definitely didn't want to get wet. Let's go. Just watch your steps on the sea urchin. Just throw an eye up. Got hit by something a while ago, guys. I don't know what it was, but he missed. Let's get him out there again, guys. Just watch the sea urchin, them here. Yeah. That's a little baby fish I catch. Yeah. I don't hunt babies, bro. I have a fishing channel now. Jamaican shore fishing. Jamaican shore fishing. I'm hunting for barra this morning. See that glitter? See the glitter? Yeah. That's what the barra want to see, that glitter in the water. See, when they see that glitter now, they run for it. So, don't go behind like that. Do me, I beg you. Because that will hurt today, bud. Yeah. Watch on a step on a hole there, yeah? Alright, guys. Not getting good distance on this spoon. So, I'm going to change the spoon off. Put a heavier spoon on it. Alright, let's get out to that reef. Either Jack or Barra is going to grab onto that if they're here. See that glitter it lets off? See it? That's what they're looking for. But you see, when they're going to make a mistake and do that careless bite there, I hope they wait on them. You see it? Yeah. Oh, he hit it, he missed. You see, cheater, he make up right, you know. I want barra. Making shore fishing here. Two of them chasing it. Oh! Look at him, you see him? That's what's up, guys. We getting action. You're gonna catch him, buddy. Come on, they're chasing, guys. We got action. Making shore fishing. We are out here, guys. That's what's up. Alright, let's get out this way a bit. Guys, I'm trying to keep my legs up so I don't wet my phone up. I was a big houndfish. Big long jaw, guys. See, there go two of them chasing. Oh! He hit it. He missed. There goes one of them ones behind. You see it? Alright, I'm gonna go that way in the dark and see if we can pick up over it. We call what I'm doing scanning. So what I do, I scan on a radius. Like wherever I stand, I circle wherever I stand at. So I'll cover 50 yards out going all the way around me. So if I see I haven't picked up anything by the time I complete the circle, then I need to move to a different spot. That's why I do light fishing. I travel with a light rod. I travel light. You know, see me with one bag of equipment. You keep your tackle bag with you and you lower them on one rod and you just move, dog. And you pick up some big fish. You can't give a man a fish, you know. You last him a second, you know. Teach a man how to fish. How long it will last him? The rest of life, he can catch fish for the rest of life. He never have to depend on another man to fish. You understand what I'm trying to say, General? I see him principle going in life in general. You can't just go so and say, alright, look. You know, so I teach a party the trade and make him learn than him be a dependent. You make him independent of anybody, you know, when you teach him a thing. Yep. So you big up one another, you know, brother. You teach each other, you know. I'm just hoping. Oh! Fish on! Fish on! Fish on! Fish on, guys. You making sure fishing? Fish on, we got him. We got him, guys. Fish on.
Yo! Jack, I want Jack.
Jack what? Barra.
Barra. Oh!
Watch out, watch out!
Yo! Yo! Hey!
Whoa.
Buffy, Buffy.
That's what's up, guys.
Hey, watch it.
Yo! You're making sure fishing? This is what's up. Killer, I've been hunting for you all morning, boy. Yeah, guys. This is what's up. Hold it to me. Hold him, hold him, hold him.
Oh, do you fish that guy?
Eh? Barra.
Oh, what's it?
No, man, hold him, no good, man. Thank you. Huh? Look at you. Dinner is served. Hey, Bobby.
Hey, what?
You got hyped up. You wanted to play, huh? I got to take a picture, guys. Oh, boy. I've been hunting for this fish all morning. From about 6 o'clock this morning, I've been hunting for him. And I found you. Oh, calm down.